Hi there, my name is Ciprian Popa, I'm a structural engineer from Romania, and I would like to invite you to an online reinforced concrete design training organized by AllBeamNet. The training covers Eurocode theory and practice to go through all the necessary design steps a structural engineer needs to follow when designing a multi-story reinforced concrete structure. SCIA Engineer has been chosen for this training as it is an excellent BIM software that has arguably the best Eurocode implementation. If you are not familiar with SCIA Engineer, do not worry. You will also learn the basic settings and options, and I can share the examples I create with you. Also, you can download a 30 days free trial license with full functionality so you can practice along. This training intends to cover everything from initial geometry creation based on architecture input to final deliverables that are the engineering report and general arrangement drawings along with reinforcement details. In the first lesson, you will learn how to properly configure your project so you have all the required tools set up in an optimal way. The new project will begin with grid definition that will be the basis of geometry construction, and also I will show you how you can import a DWG to use it as a support for creating the 3D model based on 2D input. The structure will be fully modeled in 3D. In the following lesson, we will assess the loads and generate the load combination according to Eurocode. You'll learn how to properly define permanent, variable, and dynamic loads and how to master the load group functionality in order to get correct automatic combinations. Romania is a seismic country, so the structural engineers from my country always design the structure to have enough capacity to either resist or dissipate the seismic energy. I will guide you through the global checks that help us understand how the structure behaves and how to optimize its configuration. Drift checks are an essential step for checking the interstory relative displacement. I will use a design form check developed by AllBeamNet that ensures a clear evaluation of the structure both for ULS and SLS. You can also have this design form that is valuable for any multi-story concrete building you would design with SCIA Engineer. Limiting the compression in vertical elements is also important as pre-design and to ensure a ductile behavior. I will present two ways in which you can analyze the compression stresses in the concrete elements. The linear analysis will show us the force and displacement distribution in the structural elements. SCIA Engineer is very flexible when it comes to presenting results. It has both tabled and graphical output that can then be saved associatively in the engineering report. The engineering report is one of the deliverables that you will provide to your clients. We will set up a report from scratch with the information organized on chapters that will give the checker a clear picture of the structure you designed. The final document can be exported in 3D PDF and rich text format. SCIA Engineer has a very efficient algorithm for designing the reinforcement for any type of structural concrete element. It will determine the capacity of the element, present the unity checks in a clear and transparent manner. The reinforcement created in SCIA is BIM compliant, so it can be later exported to Allplan Engineering for detailing, or it allows you to generate the FEM files with the required theoretical reinforcement and continue in Allplan with the practical reinforcement. I will present two methods for designing shear walls: a FEM method, useful for non-seismic elements, and an integrated forces method, specific for seismic countries. Foundation design is also an important chapter that will be presented in this course. First, the foundation will be designed for the resultant reactions, but then they will be taken in account as an effect on the structure. The soil structure interaction analysis will calibrate the elastic springs and change the distribution of loads and displacements in the structure until convergence of results is met. The foundation slab will also be reinforced and checked for punching. The training sessions will be live, organized as a series of 3 hours long webinars, and they will also be recorded. There will be a total of 15 hours of training concentrated in 1 week, starting 25th of March 2019. There are 3 types of packages for this training. Standard package, which is free and grants you access to all live sessions. Gold package, which costs 99 euros and includes recording access, special Q&A session that follow the training, and a participation diploma. Platinum package will add also access to real concrete project sample files and permanent access to the drift check design form developed by allbeam.net. The whole package costs 499 euro. To order the training, please submit the form, for which you'll find the link in the description, and you'll receive further instructions. You can choose the package that is suitable to your needs and budget, but hurry up as there are limited seats available for this training, only 20 standard, 30 gold and 10 platinum seats. Make sure you book yours today. Thank you for your attention and feel free to contact me if you have any questions.